Same. Let's go home and eat. Oh, salty. Ooh, my subscribers, you know how it'll taste like, right? Just eat this! So good! Jalan, Jesse! Hi guys, it's Jesse! After I posted Let's Go to Mukbang, there were so many comments. At the time, I fell in love with nasi goreng. I wanna try more. I wanna travel in nasi goreng world. Every my subscribers recommended me different kinds of nasi goreng, such as nasi goreng kampung, nasi goreng USA, nasi goreng paprik, nasi goreng pattaya, nasi goreng biasa, blah blah blah. Yeah, a lot of people left a comment, like Mudamir, like Zra. Yeah, especially Claire Chichua's comments was very nice. Right now, I feel like I have to call her as my nasi goreng teacher. But the one kicked my heart was like Fadli Zulkifli's comment. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. Recommended me to try nasi goreng kampung plus telur dadar. And it means like nasi goreng made with anchovies and shrimp paste and served with omelette. And I left the comment of the comments. This would be my next episode. So today I will go there and I'm gonna eat this. Okay? Go. Oh, today is hot. Can you feel the sunlight? Oh my god. I'm at Pantai Dalam again. Let's go. Huh? 귀여워. Cool. Hi, nasi goreng kampung. Nasi goreng kampung and telur dadar. Yeah.
Nasi goreng kampung telur dadar.
Can I get one chili potong? From the video comments, all of my subscribers said I have to order chili potong and eat them together. So I asked them. Can you feel this sunlight? It's so strong. How much is this mango juice? 6 ringgit. Can I get one, please? I'm sitting inside now, and it's really cool because of this fan. Look at this. Wow. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Asri.
Asri.
Yeah.
So, what are you waiting for?
I'm Food Panda rider.
Oh, Food Panda rider. Must be so hard. It's so hot outside, right?
Right now it's very hot.
Very hot.
Sometimes raining, it's okay.
You do this work every day?
Yes, every day.
If it rains or if it's too hot, do it every day.
Yeah,
When do you start working?
10 a.m. until 8 p.m. No break.
Anyway, thank you so much because I'm just at home. I just ordered food from Food Panda or Grab, and because of you guys, we can eat great foods. Thank you so much. Terima kasih.
Where you come from?
Can you guess?
Korea?
Oh yes, Korea.
Not also.
I'm sorry?
South Korea?
South Korea. People from North Korea cannot come here. Yeah, because of Kim Jong-un and nuclear.
Already married.
I'm sorry?
Already married.
No married. Hey, I don't have a girlfriend.
Serious?
Yeah. How about you?
Same.
Same. You single?
I only have girlfriend.
Oh, thank you. And this is mine. Have a good day and drive safe. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's go home and eat. Let's go home and eat. Jalan, Jesse. I got home. Let's prepare.
Welcome to Live.
Hi guys, it's Jesse! Today, I got nasi goreng kampung and telur dadar. This is chili potong which means chili paste sauce. I could see a lot of ingredients, you know, such as anchovy. This is squid. And a lot of veggies, carrots, chili. Let's dip into it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I knew it. Sit down. So good. And let's eat with chili potong. Put it on the rice. Oh, salty. Ooh. Mmm. Way better to eat with this, because if we eat just fried rice, it could be a little bit dry. But if we eat with this one, it has more spicy taste and juicy, so getting better and better. Put it right here. Oh, salty. Put it. Sedap. There is kangkung too. This is kangkung, right? Okay, from now, let's eat with telur. And I'm gonna put egg on the rice and put a little bit of chili potong onto it. Oh, it's gonna be good, right? You know this, right? Hey, my subscribers, you know how it'll taste like, right? Let's go. I'm not overreacting. It's so freaking good. If I just eat fried rice, it's good. And if I put chili potong with it, it's better. And if I eat with fried rice, chili potong, and with fried egg, it's way better. 아, 너무 맛있다. 너무 맛있다. And there is chicken too. 아, 진짜 맛있는데? I don't know what to say. This fried rice has seafood. This fried rice has chicken. Has a lot of veggies. They put more protein with egg. It's crazy. It's freaking delicious. What can I say? Just eat this. Just eat. Just eat this. Just eat this. Oh my god. I gotta save the portion for my dinner, but I wanna eat more. Yes, I know that I have to. Stop right now. This was so good. Jalan, Jesse. From now, I really wanna travel this nasi goreng world. So, ikan bakar, roti canai, and everything. Okay, I will do that. But let's keep it for the future. I wanna eat and finish nasi goreng world, and let's keep going. Okay? Thank you for watching my videos today. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel, Jalan Jesse. And let's see you in the next video. Bye bye. I forgot to drink my dessert mango juice. Oh, so good! Let's go home and eat! Oh, salty. Hey, my subscribers, you know how it'll taste like, right? Just eat this!